We have another great toy to share with you guys. This we received from All for Paws, and it is a vibrating, bouncing, spinning, light up toy, and our dogs are loving it. It's very simple to operate. You simply unscrew it, and the inside pops out. There is a USB to C that's included. You can plug it in, and it will glow red, showing you that it needs to be charged. It takes about an hour and it will turn to green. When you're ready, press the power button. It's going to come on and you'll notice the lights. Make sure to put the square end into the square receptacle and then just screw on the top. And it's going to start spinning and lighting up. Oh my God, they love it. This is another toy that we definitely should have gotten two of.